Now, there's a really cool website out there and it gives you the money for watching videos, okay? Just imagine how easy that is, okay? Just watch the videos and get this amount of money each day, okay? It's a nice thing. Hit subscribe and let's go. Now, this strategy is gonna work all around the world. Anybody can make money with this wherever you live. And in fact, you can just write me down in the comments from where do you come from. Then I can make some specific make money videos based in your own region so anyone can make money. But today's website is gonna work anywhere. This one is called Scoin. It's a simple website that pays you for your time. Now, this one can be tricky to find, so you have to Google for Scoin Click, okay? Because this is the one, scoin.click. You want to choose this, and you'll be redirected in here. So you can see that you can earn money with this platform for just watching videos, for just like giving likes or maybe subscribes. So that's the main principle, okay? They just give you the money for some simple tasks that we already do online, right? You watch videos, you like something. So these guys came up with this idea to get you paid for it. You can see it right here. Earn money with watching video and doing easy tasks. Receive free YouTube subscribers, likes, and views. Now, there's nothing hard about this website, okay? You just use your mouse and your keyboard in order to get the money. They have these like fast payouts, and that's what I really like, okay? You don't wait around for your money, okay? Money is coming instantly as soon as you click that withdraw button, but I'm gonna tell you more about that later. Now, of course, this is absolutely free, okay? You don't need to like get something invested in here. You just get the money for free because registration is free to do. So what do you want to do? Of course, firstly, you just have to make yourself an account. Click on the sign up button, which is located here, and I'm not gonna waste time with it. You can just use Google account and you can right away start doing this method. Now, this works in the following way. You get these like credits when you watch, like, subscribe to, or comment on videos or channels created by other users. So there are two kinds of people on this website. People who come and they just buy these like views, comments, and likes, and then there's people like you and me, and we get paid for those views, likes, and subscribers. But of course, guys, if you have your own YouTube channel, you can just come in here and you can buy something. But of course, that's not the topic for today's video. Today, we want to make money, and that's what we'll do. So after you make yourself an account on the website, this is going to be your dashboard when you log in, and you will get this tutorial at the beginning, and they will tell you everything that you need to know. But I'm going to just lead you through it so you can just see this in action. So we will help you to earn money in crypto and promote your website and YouTube channel. Now, that's a good thing because you can also get the crypto in here. You don't have to stick to that, of course. You can just go to earning page over here and start getting that money right away. You can see that they have crypto, they have perfect money, they have pay here, and advanced cash. I don't know about this one, I have never used this one, but all these three are popular choices. So you can just take your pick and choose how do you want to get that money. Now, I would always suggest you to take some crypto because it can rise in value and you can get some more profits. And for that, you just need a wallet. You can make one on blockchain.com or you can use just binance.com, whatever. It is just important that you have the wallet so you can store any of these cryptos. But back to the website, I want to show you how this works. And trust me, guys, in order to get money, I mean, this is the easiest thing you can do. Just take a look at this. If you click on the earn option over here, you will get like YouTube views, you will get social tasks, and of course, you have YouTube likes as well. So you get the money just for liking, but this is temporarily unavailable. I don't know why is that the case. The other day it was working. Maybe they just have to configure something. But this is what we can use, guys. You can see that you can get 30 to 90 Scoin per view hour, and I'm gonna give you all the calculations for money later. But what do you have to do right now? You just have to view others users videos and get that Scoin, which you can later convert to dollars and crypto, whatever the choice. So if you click on here, you will get this pop-up window, okay? And this new window must remain open. Otherwise, your Scoin earnings will stop. So this this is needed, okay? So just leave this open, it won't bother you. Click on the start button, and then you will just have to allow the pop-ups from this. You can see my pop-ups are blocked, and this needs to be allowed for this website. So you can just click on this option, allow pop-ups for Ask One Click. So remember to do that if you don't feel like there's something like not working, nothing's happening. Just don't worry, I just made this bigger so you can see that Firefox prevented this site from opening a new pop-up window. So what you want to do, click on the options, click on allow pop-ups for Ask One Click, and immediately you'll be led to another website, which is a youtube.com website, right? And now you just have to watch this video in order to get that money. That's it, guys. Now, the cool thing about this one is that you don't have to watch the entire videos. You can just let it run for 5 to 6 minutes, and the website itself is gonna switch to another video for you to watch. Some of these are even shorter. You can see 2.37. This is a short one, so it's gonna be way easier. And from now on, it's all simple. The more you watch, the more money you can get for yourself. So if you have some time to spare, this is the website for you. Just watch the video and the money is gonna roll. But if you have some more time, or if you just simply get tired of just watching the videos and you want to switch to another money-making method, you can just go over to these social tasks. And this is your usual offer wall, and then you can just choose one of these offers, and they include something like, for example, just take a look at this Facebook page, like and follow. So you just had to head over on Facebook on this page of theirs and just like the page and follow the page, and that's gonna give you certain amount of money. And that's it. That is basically all that you need to know about this website. Of course, when you're satisfied with the amount of money that you've got on the website, you can just choose your payment method and then just enter your information for crypto, your wallet address, enter the amount, of course, and then click on the payout option over here. If you liked this method so far, just hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna show you something as a bonus. This website is called We Are 8, okay? And you can see social media for a better world, but these guys give you the money for watching the ads, so for watching these videos. So we give you a share of our revenue for any advertising you choose to watch on the app from brands like Nike, Rexona, and more, you know? You can find this one easily by just typing in the Google search bar We Are 8, and this is it, weare8.com. This works on your usual Android device. You can download this real quick, and of course you can get it on the App Store. It's nicely rated, as you can see, 4.5 out of 5. And the thing with this one is the same as on Scoin, just a bit different. You'll just watch the videos and they'll give you the share of their revenue. So you watch the ads, actually you just watch the videos. You can even calculate your worth over here and see how much money you can get for yourself. In the end, I just suggest that you combine both of these websites and make use of your time, okay? You have to invest your time because nothing is gonna come on its own, alright? Just go and take that action, get that money, guys, and